Hello, my name is Toby Paik, and today I got a new guitar. Well, kinda. It's smaller than what I usually get. It's a Gibson Les Paul / Appetite Burst miniature guitar. Why did I buy this? I don't know, because I wanted to. It's got a nice case, like an actual guitar case, except that it's just cardboard. It even comes with a stand. It actually has strings on it. Well, there it is. It actually has like strings that actually kind of feel like strings. It's very cute, just like me. Since I cannot afford the actual Slash model guitar, hint hint, Gibson guitar, something like that I suppose, I just wish that I can just grow this like a plant, like water it or something, and it will eventually turn into a full-size guitar that I can actually play. But this is a Hydra Beauty Essence Mist by Chanel, and just going to smells good, at least. Yeah, and now we just, I got the floor all like wet now. Now I just play the waiting game, and hopefully this will just grow into a full-scale guitar so I can play on it. Wow, that was very quick. Also, I'm never ever doing this transition again. That was terrible. I apologize for that. Also, thank you very much for allowing me to reach 200k subscribers on YouTube. It's all possible, obviously, because of you. I really appreciate it. Not really sure why you subscribe to my channel sometimes, but anyway, thank you very much. Again, I will continue to make videos that hopefully brings immense value to you. If it doesn't, then I'll just keep making videos nonetheless. Anyway, here's Wonderwall.